Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to cut a video into two on your kinemaster. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to cut or split the video on kinemaster, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just move and position where this you just need to cut or split the video. So you can just use to pinch by using the pinch. You can just increase or decrease the timeline. So I just going to choose a 12 seconds to cut. Click on this video and you will see a pop-up on the sidewise. Here you just want to click on the trim or split option. Click on this trim or split option. Now you will see an option called split, which is actually called cut. Click on the split option. So now your video has been splitted. So I just going to move somewhat, and here I just going to split it again. So I just want to change this video to on the end of the video. So just long press on the video. So you will see some vibration. Just click on this video, just long press on the video, and you will see this vibrate, and you can just move the video where you just needed. This is how you cut and move the video on the entire clip, and you can just make your video your own. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.